Good morning and welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Tuesday, September 8th, 2015. Just going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks has a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Thank you for your patience with that. So I hope everyone had a really nice Labor Day long weekend. It was hot and gorgeous here where I am, and woke up this morning to a strong start to the day. It looks as though we're going to get a strong green start to this Tuesday morning. I'm filming this at about 8 a.m. So we'll see, keeping an open mind, but that's encouraging. So as always with our videos, we start with a 2-year weekly chart of the Russell Index. We use the Russell as our simple proxy for overall market health, strength, and direction. And because we never want to put a chart forward to our viewers unless we're putting it forward in a rising market environment. So as you can see, we've been keeping an eye on this blue channel that the Russell traded in through much of 2014. And then in the latter part of the year migrated to the top of the channel, and then in February of 2015 moved up and out and was trading in this area above this blue line through much of the year until the month of August, where boom, price got really extreme, as we're all pretty well aware, and fell to the bottom of the channel from 2014, where price got defended pretty heavily. So this is the candle from last week. This is the candle from the week before. So just to be extra careful, at Chart of the Day Cafe, we're not going to put any new charts forward until price moves up and over the blue channel line here and resumes that uptrend, because we don't want to put charts forward unless we're putting it forward in a strong, healthy, uptrending market. And this so far, anything could happen. But with the futures up this morning and this bullish looking candle from the week prior to last, there are a lot of really good charts. When I spin through my old Chart of the Day Cafe charts, I see a lot of really interesting looking ones, starting with Google. Really a strong, so we put Google forward somewhere in here, and then it had that earnings which made it take off. On a daily and in a weekly, to me, this is a very powerful chart setup. So I think Google looks interesting. You know what, Chart of the Day Cafe, I know you guys all have your own way of doing things, but for us, it's all about when price moves up and over the blue line, which is the 8-day EMA. So I'd be looking for Google to do that in the next couple of days, should the market remain strong. The other charts that I think look really interesting, oh gosh, so many of them, but I'm trying to pick a variety of industries as well. So Boeing, wow, beautiful, very powerful candle where we might get some follow through this week. This is the weekly chart. This is the daily chart, but these are the ones I'd be keeping an eye on. And keep in mind, as per Chart of the Day Cafe and what we aim to do, these are all value charts. These are all compelling companies with great value scores. A lot of them pay a dividend, and a lot of them, or all of them, have catalysts that I try to profile in my videos as to why in a healthy market environment they may go higher. The other one is CVS, drugstore chain. Wow, look at that candle, beautiful volume. We put it forward here. This was a very early one. Had this rise up, and then with everything else in the month of August fell off, but looks interesting here. This is the weekly chart. Here's the 9-month daily. Again, we want to wait till price moves up and over the blue line for some follow through, but looks interesting to me. Another one is Gilead, G-I-L-D, in the health sort of pharmaceutical space. Let's go for the weekly. We put it forward somewhere in here, had this nice run up, and fell off with everything else. But all of these charts to me look, if the market resumes its uptrend, wow, these are great looking charts to me. And the last one is Disney. So just thought I'd remind you of those. What I think I'm going to do this month of September, marks the 1 year anniversary of me putting out these videos. Believe it or not, a year goes by so quickly, and I have over 90, I think 90 videos out on YouTube now. Most of them private, only a few of them public, but what I think I might do is start Chart of the Day Cafe model portfolio on Yahoo Finance, just paper money and just for the fun of it. But pick 5 stocks. I think you only need 5. I'll try to keep them diversified and equally weighted per dollar amount, and just start tracking some of our picks as they move across those blue lines. And again, it's just for the fun of it, not making any recommendations whatsoever. But Disney here would be on my list to keep an eye on to add to that portfolio. Gilead, CVS, Boeing, Apple, Google. So just for the fun of it, just to move things along and add something new as part of this 1 year anniversary thing. And we'll see how it does. So with that, I will leave you. Hope you have a great day, and we'll look forward. Hopefully we get some strength in the market this week. We get a nice strong candle that pulls us up and over that blue line, and we can start putting some new charts forward either Thursday or next week. So with that, I'll leave you, and I'll be putting out a video on Thursday. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.